South Florida SPCA has been investigating horse slaughter for some time now. It's only over the past year that the numbers have truly escalated. So obviously, it's obvious that the black market for horse meat has grown drastically. So we are now averaging a call a week for horse slaughter in Miami-Dade County in South Florida. In the past 30 days alone, roughly, we've had just about 6 calls, 6 documented horse slaughterings. If there are 6, then there are many more. A lot of horse theft and horse slaughters in Miami-Dade County go unreported. These animals are, pretty much tortured. It's a very long, drawn-out, cruel death. Many times the horse meat is carved off the body while the horse is still alive. This past weekend goes the story, the horse was, butchered probably alive while her young foal, her baby, was, standing by her side. When the owner of the property and owner of the horse got to the scene in the morning, the baby was trying to suckle milk out of the mother and laying beside her. Just about 2 weeks ago, 2.5 weeks ago now, there was a horse slaughtered very nearby where this case was, this horse was slaughtered in this past week. The mother, again, had a baby foal. The mother was slain and butchered, and the baby, for some reason, was killed as well. Not butchered for the meat, but killed. People in Miami-Dade County and in South Florida in general need to understand who are buying this meat. This meat is toxic. These animals see veterinarians on a monthly basis. They're, such as Freedom's Flight, he is injected with all types of tranquilizers, dewormers, antibiotics, just a basic fly spray that I put on his back. All of these products are labeled not to be used on animals that enter the food chain, not to be used on animals for human consumption. It toxifies the meat, it stays in the horse's body, so whoever's out there is buying this meat is, mainly buying high-priced meat while making themselves sick, and it's also against the law. If you are caught buying horse meat, you will be put in jail. There is a reward for any information leading to an arrest in Miami-Dade County, and that's put up by the Humane Society. It's a $2,500 reward. It's something that all citizens should know. If they have any information whatsoever, they can call the SPCA or go to our website at helpthehorses.com. Call your local authorities. Really, the only way we're going to be able to catch these people is if the community comes together. It's something that needs to stop. These people are savages, they're disgusting, and they need to be caught and they need to be put in prison.